Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another vlog. It's Tuesday. We are thriving. I just turned the heat on in my house, so like I'm extra thriving. I am always freezing, so if the heat is not on, I cannot feel any part of my body.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama.
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name's Peyton if you guys are new here. Welcome back if you are returning. I appreciate you guys so much. I actually just hit 500 subscribers thanks to you guys, so I really appreciate that. It means so much to me. I've been trying to post videos for you guys here once a week, and I'm so happy that you guys have been liking them. So today we are vlogging, and we are vlogging life things. In this video, I want to show you guys how I shoot my own content, because a few months ago I did like a video on how I plan my feed, how I edit my photos, and it's very, very simple and straightforward. So I wanted to include how I take my own photos for Instagram or social media in general by myself at home. So I'm gonna have a little tutorial for you guys in this video. Also, I'm going on a really fun double date tonight, so I'm gonna take you guys along for that. And then I have so many packages, so we're gonna do like a little try on unboxing in this video. So anyway, right now I am drinking my second cup of coffee, and I have been loving this cream. Like, I asked you guys a while ago how you drink your iced lattes at home, because I was on a big Starbucks addiction moment of my life. I don't know how to describe that. I was going to Starbucks every single day and getting a venti iced latte with oat milk. So now I've been using this oat milk at home. It's the Oat Barista Blend by Califia Farms. It's really good. I usually buy 2 of them when I go to the store because they're only in a few stores. And then for coffee, I just use this. And what I do is pour the coffee, heat up the oat milk for about 30 seconds in the microwave, and then I use like a little hand whisker, whisk it all up, and then pour it in, and I have like a foamy iced latte at home, and it is so good. Like, I don't know why I was going to Starbucks before. Like, now I don't even want Starbucks because I just like mine so much better. So anyway, if you guys are looking for an iced latte to try, that's a good one. Okay, let's start with the photo showing process. I have my tripod here. That's Jesse's sewing kit. But yeah, I have my tripod here. So this thing is from Amazon. I love this tripod. It's very simple. I'll flip the camera around for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It has like a bunch of different levels, but I use this tripod so much. I take like videos with it. I take photos at home with it. I'll take it if I'm going to do photos with my friends. I'll take that. So basically the way I'm gonna show you guys is that I'm gonna put my phone here on the tripod, and then I'm gonna sit over there, and I'm going to take pictures, and I'll sort of walk you through my process and how I go through taking all the photos. So I'm gonna sit this down and then walk you guys through everything. So what I'm going to do is open up the LensBuddy app. If you guys don't use LensBuddy, this thing is a game changer. Basically, it's an app that you can set it on a timer and also how many photos you want, and it'll just take your photos for you, so you no longer have to have like a Bluetooth remote, which is so nice because that was always a pain in the butt to try to hide. So anyway, I have mine set to 1 second intervals, and it will take 50 photos. So I'm just gonna put it on my tripod, and then I'll go sit and sort of walk you guys through what I'm thinking and what I do to make sure it's the right shot. Okay, turn this the right way. Okay, so I'm positioning my phone to an angle that I think looks cute. And then what I'm gonna do is I always keep my phone volume on, because I like to hear when it's clicking through the photos. You guys should be able to hear it in a second. But I'm gonna just turn that on. We're going for like a chill at home vibe in these photos. So I have like coffee as my prop, just to give you guys an example. And I'm just gonna start posing. So after a few photos, I'm gonna get up, turn it off, and what I'm gonna do is look through the photos to see if I like anything, and basically from there I'm gonna make like tiny adjustments, like, do I like this pose, do I like that angle, do I wanna move the camera closer, farther away? So I just take a few as like my test shots, and then I adjust from there to make sure I'm getting exactly what I want. So we're looking. Okay, these are really cute already. I'm like kind of surprised, but basically what I need to do is just, you know, pose and not talk. I might bring the phone a little bit closer. Okay, I'm gonna just angle it a bit closer. But the lighting is really good. I try to be mindful of like what time of day I'm shooting and what room it is. So for instance, the room I'm in right now is my living room. I know the mornings are really good here, but later in the day it's a little too dark because the sun is on that side of my house. So I'm just very mindful of like what room I shoot in during what time of the day to make sure I'm getting that really nice, fresh, natural lighting. So I just moved the camera a little bit to change the angle, and I'm gonna show you guys how those photos are looking too. Every time I hear it snap, I change how I'm posed just slightly. So sometimes I'll have my cup here, I'll move it here, I'll move it here, I'll move it here. And essentially that helps me make sure that I'm getting the right shot at the best angle, and I'll catch sort of those like in between moments just by making like small motions or turning my head to the side, putting my hand here, whatever it might be. But it's so nice because when you have your hands free and you're just using the app, you can really play around. And because I'm alone in my house, no one's here to judge me. So I don't have to worry about people staring, guys catcalling or anything, which if you are a girl and you have ever taken pictures out of the house, sadly that is a reality. That is a factor when you're shooting. And so anyway, it's so nice because you're like totally comfortable in your space and you can really play around with things. So I like to shoot in my living room, and then I also love to shoot over in my kitchen. So I have different photos in both of those rooms that I think are really cute. And again, I'm mindful of like the time of day that I'm taking those pictures. So that is the very simple shooting at home process. So again, you need a tripod, the LensBuddy app, and then just play around with the positioning around your house and you guys will definitely get the cute shot. And then, like I said, I do have that video on how I edit my photos and plan my feed. It's literally the exact same. Like, I barely do anything, so I'll link that video down below if you guys want to see sort of like what the next step is after I take the photos. I have packages here. I have new items, so I want to do like a little unboxing. I always like watching what people get in the mail and what they're ordering, what they have. So I wanted to do an unboxing of some things I recently got. So first, this actually came perfect timing. I just got my Ipsy box for February. And it's really cool because you can try out so many different products when you guys get an Ipsy box. I always love it because I have found so many products that I otherwise would have never used. So first, here's some eyeshadow. This is from the brand Persephone. And let's see. Ooh, it's like deep red colors. I feel like this is very Valentine's Day vibes. There's like some reds, a couple like neutral-ish colors, and then a glitter. So this is one. I'm not a big eyeshadow person. Like, I pretty much never wear it just because I don't like how it looks on me. And I feel like it makes my eyes look too heavy, but I always like getting those because sometimes I will try it out and sort of see what I think. The next is Brightening Booster. I got some 111 Skin Cleanser. I also got these brushes. These are from Firma Beauty. I actually really needed something like this because I've been trying out like putting highlighter here or just lining the bottom of my eye with a little bit of bronzer. So I wanted something small, so that's actually perfect. And then lots of little products too. So I like these because they are like tester size. So I got a Fix Plus from MAC. It looks like it's like a mist for your makeup. And then also Gold Faden Radical Difference Serum. Ooh, I need the serum actually. This one's a smoky eye mascara. This one I'm not sure. It's context. I think it's lipstick just because of the shape of the little bottle or the little container, but the color is black. So I don't know if like I'm supposed to be using black lipstick now, but that might not happen. The color is Hide Your Heart, so maybe. And then the last one is a soothing toner. So all these. So anyway, like I said, I really like getting these boxes because I get products that I might not ever try or things that I need to add to my beauty or skincare routine. So next, you guys, let's talk about this coat. So I'm going to start off by saying last time I checked, this coat is sold out. However, I'm going to link it below in case it comes back into stock because oh my god, this is like the softest, comfiest thing ever in the world, and it's so cool because it's like extremely oversized, and then it has these long fringe pieces at the bottom. I told my friend that I feel like I'm walking around with like breadsticks on me, and you know what, that is such a vibe. Like, who doesn't love breadsticks? So anyway, that's how I feel when I wear this, and it's just so warm and cozy. When I wore it, I swear I probably got 15 minimum compliments just walking on the street. Like, people literally pulled over their car to roll down the window and say, where is your coat from? So it's from Pretty Little Thing. Like I said, I'm gonna link it even though I think it is sold out. This thing is so major and it kept me so warm. So I really love that. And it literally looks like a blanket when I put it on my chair. It looks like a blanket. So you know what? If you don't want to hang it up, that's a good one for you. Next, I got this cute little sleeve situation. I'll insert like obviously the try on of it. It's from Poster Girl, and I don't have anything from Poster Girl. If you guys haven't seen Poster Girl, I'll put a couple photos of things from them that you guys probably will recognize. Like, it's very recognizable brand. So anyway, it's also a very expensive brand. So I got this sleeve situation because I feel like I can wear this a lot more than I can wear one of their dresses just because they're statement pieces. So anyway, you like put your head through here, and then these are sleeves, and it's cool because it has this really pretty heart detailing, and then your thumb goes into one hole, your hand goes to the other, so it's like this. And I just feel like this is so cute. Like, I can layer it under clothes, I can layer it on top of tops, I can layer it on top of dresses. Like, it's just a cool added accessory for your outfits. And these sort of statement sleeves are very in. If you guys watched my Valentine's Day video, you definitely know that too. So that is this. I'm really excited to wear it. And then I also got some pieces from Ardennes. Some of these were in the Valentine's Day YouTube video, but some were not. So let's start with this cute set. So first I have this long silky top. So it's like this cool sort of like retro pattern. It's like all brown, but it's two different shades of brown that sort of rotate, and it's just nice and oversized. I got it in a size medium, so it does fit me nice and long. And this is just really cute to either wear with a matching skirt, or if you have like leggings, or if you want to wear like a white top and some sort of high-rise pant underneath. And here is the matching skirt. I got the skirt in a size small, and both fit really well. Next, I really like Ardennes jeans. So I got these. I wanted like a classic straight leg blue jean with no tears in it. I got these in a size 5. Usually when I get their jeans, I do get size 5 just because I always prefer a baggier fit to a tighter fit. You know, skinny jeans are chuggy at the moment. So I got a size 5. I usually wear a 4, so that sort of tells you like I just sized literally one number up. And I usually like how they fit. So I got this faux leather blazer. I got this, I think in a size large. Yeah, size large. And it is so cute. It's perfectly oversized. This is definitely going to be a staple in my wardrobe to layer on top of outfits. And it's so soft and buttery smooth. And then I got the matching pants. So it is a set, but you can buy them separately, together, whatever you prefer. And then lastly, I got this cute little corset top. So you guys can see it's strapless. And it has this nice lining here that holds it up, so it's kind of like a sticky material, so you're not like constantly pulling it up while you're wearing it. That is everything that I wanted to show you guys in this haul. And now I'm just gonna be at my house, you know, be bopping around, probably run some errands, and then I'll bring you to date night tonight. Okay, you guys. So it is later in the evening. Obviously it's like kind of dark out. Jesse and I are in the parking garage on our way to meet our friends for our double date night. And I'm really excited. Oh my god. We have a crazy driver over here. I'm really excited because it is actually a painting class where you can like drink drinks, have full-on dinner while you paint, and you learn how to paint something really cute. So I forget what we chose. It's like a winter vibe. But we're on our way to do that, and I'm really excited, so I'm gonna bring you guys all along. Where are you going? You just stretch your back while you walk? Oh. What the heck? I don't know him. Oh my god. Definitely don't know who that is. Please, sir, you're walking a little close to me.
You're under arrest.
For being cute. It's so cute here. You gonna go get your hair done? You got a lot of it. So cute. We got some early attendees. Hi, I'm vlogging. Hi. Are you hiding? Oh my god, who is that celebrity?
So, yes, all of you have painted, but how are you doing? We're painting before? Yeah, we painted over there. Good.
The comparison so far. Oh, going in. How it's supposed to look.
What's this?
It's an art project.
Okay, I like it. Picasso. Yeah, that way.
You're out of this world. Talented. Ooh, I like that minty color. Oh wow, Picasso. So he rolled his eyes at me.
Perfect circles are really hard to achieve. Okay, and yours might be ready for the moon too whenever you want. It looks like it's dry.
No, I'm very behind.
No, you're fine. But yeah, whenever you want to add it, it's dry on that section.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Alright, yeah, looking cool. So I would say
She did not say good. She did not say good.
it looks good. Stop it. Where?
All over.
That's why it's so messed up. Here are the final results, so this is what it's supposed to look like. Those. Here's mine. Jessie's. Allie eating her dessert. Allie's. I love this color. Esteban's. Oh!
That's trash.
This is gonna be worth $5 trillion.